I have been doing something which many people think we shouldn't do, and that is to send healing to people who has not asked for it. And I totally get that point. They have their free will and we shouldn't intrude if they don't ask for it. However, at the same time, we live in a world with so much hate and anger and fear. So sometimes I find it in my heart okay to send healing. And I don't think I can mess things up with my intention, which is pure. I want to tell you what happened. I was driving my car and there was a zebra crossing and I got the red light and the pedestrians could walk cross right, and I saw this man carrying all of the world's problems on his shoulders. You can see the body language, the speed he walks, how he carries himself, how he looks, the clothes, everything, right? It was not good. And I'm sitting there, watching him slowly cross the road, and I just closed my eyes and opened my heart and had an intention of sending love to him. And the guy stops in the street and he turns and he looks into my car. And oh shit, did he know what happened now? Did he know where that came from and did he feel it? And he looked into my car and then he walked away. So I'd never seen the guy before. There's no reason. I didn't honk the horn. I didn't do anything loud or anything. But something happened there. Weird, really weird. He didn't look especially happy. So maybe it was a failure. But something he did. Well, I don't know what happened here, but something happened. Yeah. What do you think?